Want to switch your Facebook login from your phone number to an email address? Here's how to do it easily. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the three-line menu icon, usually at the top right corner. Head over to your profile and then tap on Edit Profile. Scroll down and select Edit Your About Info. Then look for the Contact Info section. On the top right of that section, tap Edit. Now tap Manage Contact Info and select Add Email Address. Enter the email you'd like to use and tap Add Email Address. Facebook will send a verification code to that email. Just open your inbox, copy the code and enter it into the Facebook prompt to confirm the email. Once your email is added, go back to the Manage Contact Info section. Tap on your phone number and you'll see the Remove option. Tick the checkbox. Confirm by tapping Remove Number and your phone number will be unlinked. Now your email is your new login method for Facebook. It's that simple. If this walkthrough helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials.